Hi, welcome back for today's video. We are going to taste food again here in UAE and it's very cold item. Can you guess it? So kakain tayo. Kakain tayo ng ice cream na trending all over the world. I don't know. They say it's trending. So it is the mango ice cream. Is it mango or mango? Do I pronounce it correct? Mango or mango? So, titikman natin siya. I don't know from which country. It's from China. Sana walang COVID, walang coronavirus na nakasama. Okay. So, titingnan natin. So, it's okay for me. It's zero cholesterol. But it has sodium, 45 milligram, 2%. It's okay na. Kaya na maintenance. So, we will taste test the mango ice cream. Oh my god, I don't know how to remove this one. Can you enlighten me, Miss Star?
Yes, ganyan.
Okay.
Tanggalin yung
Ganyan. Tatanggalin ng box. And then,
Bunitin yung box.
pupunitin. Is it other way na to tear the box? Charet.
Ganyan.
Tear off the,
Ganyan.
So, ayan. It's so hard to remove, Miss Star. I can't. So, ayan, tanggalin na. Natunaw na yung ice cream.
Tapos,
So, ayan. Ito yung,
yan.
meron siyang ang kit sa ilalim. So,
Tanggalin mo yan.
so I will remove the cover. Oh my God!
Squeeze mo yan dyan sa baba para maglambutan yan.
So, ingat lang kasi you know naman, it's so delicate. It's so, ang daming arte. It's, fully covered. Oh my God.
Ayan.
Mister! So, it's like a real mango talaga. See,
Amoyin mo, mabango.
And the smell, it's so mango. And then, I will eat na like this. Okay, ganito pala. So, nandito yung hawakan sa ilalim, Yung
Tapos pag konti na,
yung chopstick. Noodles pala. May siya, yung, tawag dito? Popsicle stick. So, we will try na. Oh my God! Here we go.
Kitchen section to counter 6, please. Kitchen section to counter 6, please.
Oh my God! It's so sarap!
Sabi ko sa'yo. Sarap siya.
Mister, may dala akong isang kanin. You want that?
Ang sarap!
Makasubo ka na kay kay ate mo.
So, naka-break kami. Inuna ko yung dessert kasi baka matunaw.
Bili na kahit matunaw yun.
So, ang sarap.
Gusto mo ba kanin? Itlog na may kamatis. You want? Ito lang kasi ang breakfast ko kanina.
Meron din ako.
Oh.
So, yun lang for today's video. Mua, mua, mua. Bye!
Mister,